This video brings you an innovative solar LED street light, anti-UVPC body, infrared sensor. Water is flowing out with the drainage structure inside. Battery house is completely sealed inside. The electronics inside are installed at higher place to avoid water immersion. All structures and spare parts are carefully designed. The installation is convenient, and different photometric reflectors are optional. Intelligent remote control enables dimmable and timing as per your needs. Infrared sensor automatically turn on when people is approaching and turn off after left. 180-degree wide beam angle. Long time operation. IP66 waterproof. Different models are optional.